Hey, so let's learn how to create a yield farm under 5 minutes. On the Dapp Factory page, let's click on the Farms tab and then click on Create New Farm. So the first thing the UI asks for is enter input token. This is basically the LP token which will be deposited by the user. In the previous video, we had created an LP with tomato token and potato token. So we can just use that LP here. Then we will enter the image. Next, the UI asks for us to enter our reward token. So this is basically the token that we will be giving out. Let's select the potato token. We'll grab the token address from Polygon Scan and enter it into the UI. So now we have to enter the start block and the end block. Okay, now we've selected a block that will come in about 1 hour 30 minutes, which is when the farm will start. Now let's try to find a block when the farm should end. We can use this block number where the farm would end in about 6 days. Then let's enter it into the UI. The amount is the total amount of reward tokens that we want to give in the duration of the farm. So let's say we want to give out 1000 potato tokens for the duration of the farm. Deployers can also set a withdrawal fee percentage. So whenever a user withdraws LP tokens, 1%, as we have set here, would go to the owner. Harvest interval is the amount of time a user has to wait before he can harvest his reward tokens again. 84,600 is about 1 day. Let's add the fee address for the withdrawal fee. And create farm. Here we can again see all the details that we have entered. Now let's approve the token. And now let's create the farm. And transaction confirmed. This means that the farm has been deployed. It may take a minute for it to come onto Polygon Scan. Let's go back to our farming dashboard and see if the farm has appeared. Yeah, so in upcoming farms, we can see that the bottom token farm has been deployed. Now let's try to deposit some LP tokens into the farm. So first let's approve the token for the farm. Then let's add 100 bottom LP tokens into the farm. And here we can see staked amount is 100. Let's try to claim the tokens that we have received, which is about 1000 potato tokens. And that's about it. That's how you make a yield farm in 5 minutes.